For 8.4, we're going to be working on substitution. So you guys get substitute teachers sometimes, right? That person comes in and replaces the teacher for the day. Substitution in math is the same thing. We're going to come in and replace the variable with a value, with a number. So it's going to take its place for that problem. So a variable is something that is not constant. This word right here, V-A-R, you spell it by itself, V-A-R-Y, but it means to vary. It can change and it can differ depending on the situation. Weather is something that changes all the time. It has a lot of variables in it. It's not constant and the same every day. And we represent that with a letter, A, B, C, D, E. It doesn't really matter what the variable is, but they can mean different things. So if I earned D dollars washing cars, maybe I earned $10, maybe I earned $20, maybe I earned $100, right? It depends on, and it can change depending on how many cars came to my business. So it's a letter and we can plug in and substitute in a value for that particular problem. So when we are solving these, we still have to follow GEMS. Those rules don't go away just because it has a variable. They stay the same. So we have 3x plus 10 divided by 5, and it says x equals 7. Now we're not plugging it in and saying x is 37, or this is not 37, right? This is 3 of these x's, 3 of these. So we'll learn about these more later. This is a coefficient and the variable together, right? Co means work together. So when we have something stuck right next to each other and there's no sign, that means to multiply. If we have something in front of parentheses, a number, a constant in front of a variable, we multiply. So first we need to rewrite the problem. So 3 times 7, so right, it's not 37, 3 times 7 plus 10 divided by 5. So we're following GEMS, so we're going to use our little checklist. That's still the same. So I don't have any groups. I don't have any exponents. So we're looking to multiply or divide, just like we read. So here's 1, 3 times 7 is 21, and I bring everything else down. And we're still on M, this is add, but here we have divide. So now we're doing 10 divided by 5 is 2. Bring down the plus 21, now we're at 23. So we funneled it down, used our checklist. This is not 37, make sure when those are stuck together that we multiply those out. That might be a good thing to note for your future self. So go ahead and make sure you write down something that you need to remember about substituting a value in for a variable.